Okay, so today we had a loss on GBP AUD. I actually saw this coming. And I remember one of my mentors, my big mentors, said, if you doubt a trade, make sure you go out quickly. Once you start doubting a trade, go out quickly or cut the loss short. Don't let it run for long. Don't have hopes and hope trade. So let's see what actually happened. So starting from the big time frame, let's see what happened. So we can see that we have this level, which is basically a support, and we have this level, which is basically the resistance. Simple. Look at this. This was just a range sideways trade. So from here, from resistance came to the support, then from the resistance support, from support to the resistance. But our strategy, QML, had a sell. So why did I have a huge little doubt on this trade? Yes, it wasn't that huge, it was a little, because the setup was looking good. Why did I have it? Because it came to my concern that on QMLs, the head, as you know, QML, let's say SL QML is here, this is our shoulder, this is the head, this is the head, and this one has to pass this one. Liquidity can be created here, whatever, and then the entry is going to be at the same level as the first shoulder, which is here. Then we sell, then TP is here. So what I realized is that what came to my mind based on the QMLs that I'll be taking from now is that this zone, all of it, this head is a QML. So I'll only take trades that have a short QML, not a long one. Why? Because I can't put a stop loss on top of this level, though my TP is here. The risk reward ratio doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Same thing with the trade. And we were going short, but the whole setup is here. The TP would be down here. And look, our stop loss. Still, our stop loss was very big. So our stop loss didn't make sense from here. Okay, we had a good entry there. We could take the trade, but I didn't take the trade because I saw that this is a huge hit, so I cannot let the trade run inside here, though my TP was just here. I actually we re-entered after some time in the group, but we cut the losses short. And that was it for the day, and we learned no longer taking trades like this with big heads that we can afford and based on the reward. So what balanced everything today was EUR-CAD. EUR-CAD had a very beautiful setup that went straight to TP, as you see from the big time frame. From the big time frame, you see there's been an uptrend. From down here. It's been an uptrend. Some QML level. It didn't succeed. Okay. here the QML level didn't succeed, broke QMTR. So a failed QML is a QMTR. That's it. If it fails, it's still a setup, but opposite, we buy it. If a sell QML fails, it will create a buy QMTR, but we still confirm and wait for QML there after it creates. So what happened? It broke, then it broke up to the upside, waited for it to come. This is a QML on H1, and then we bought it. Let's go to H1 and see it perfectly. It's one of the beautiful setups, and it went straight to TP. This is the QML level. This is liquidity. It came here in the morning, 3 a.m. I was still asleep. When woke up, it was somewhere here. Then we bought it, shot up, closed here. It was too quick. We closed too quick, but we take partials. That was good. We closed because of this resistance. And the last trade, we should let it run to TP here. That's it. Close partials, then let the last one hit TP. Then we're good. So this trade balanced everything. Balanced the GA loss. And let's see what the market has for us. Let's see what it has for us on a Wednesday. Yes, thank you. Blue Summarize.